Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create video using text on Veed IO. So once you log into your Veed IO account, click on the AI apps here at the top. So you have three sections. You have templates, AI edits, and AI apps. You want to look for the option that says AI text to video. Click on that, and here you can basically create a prompt. So you can do for social media, generative, you can do business, training, and others. So you can choose whichever you want. So let's say I'm gonna generate, for example, a football match, for example, a football game, or for example, a football match. Let's put football match, right? And I want to generate something like that. Simple click on generate video. You will see that it asks you to basically choose if whatever style that you may want. You will see that it shows the default. You can choose if you want to make something fantasy. I'm going to make something, let's leave it at default, right? Then you want to go ahead and click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to take you over to this page where it's going to start to generate the video for you. So as you can see, it's about 15% there, and it's currently generating. So let's just wait for it to generate, and let's see the end result. I would say use something like ChatGPT or whatever to get some really amazing prompt that you can use, but you'll be able to generate videos using text in Veed. So if you know exactly what you want to generate, you can enter those prompts, or if you don't know, you can use the power of AI such as ChatGPT to help you come up with amazing prompts that you can use. Well, let's just wait for it to complete, and then we'll see the end result. And here you have it, guys, the final result, and it actually looks super cool, I must say. And here we can, so I just say we want a football match, and as you can see, it generates a video of a football match. I think it is really good and very accurate what it really generates. Think about what we want and basically does it. Let's play the 4-second video that it has generated for us. Now, what I'm not seeing is the video actually playing, but it's just a single clip of a picture, let's say, generated, right? So it's an image, but it doesn't give you the video per se that you want. So if I go ahead and I play this, you can see that it's just simply generate just a moving image. But guys, I must say that in terms of thinking about what I ask, I think that it does a brilliant job. But in terms of a video per se, I was really expecting a bit more, but you get the general idea. But I would say, guys, if you really want to, let's say, generate amazing videos, you can use AI platforms such as Allo AI, Midjourney, and so much more out there to generate amazing videos as well. But nevertheless, it makes a good attempt, and I will just give it an effort for making this attempt. But that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and use Veed IO to try to generate videos. There you have it. If you want to try it out, you can give it a go, guys, but I would recommend one of those other amazing tools that you can use that give you a much better quality. Or maybe it's just what I've presented to it. Maybe I needed to give it a much better prompt to maybe get a better result. But from this quick test, you'll see how it actually works. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.